Project Management Lecture 1. Today we will learn about Introduction to Project Management. What is project management? The role of project manager, project management frameworks, PMBOK, Prince2, Agile, etc. What is project management? Project management is the process of planning, organizing, and coordinating resources, tasks, and people to achieve specific goals or objectives within a defined timeline and budget. It involves the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to effectively effectively manage the different aspects of a project, including scope, time, cost, quality, communication, risk, and stakeholder engagement. Project management typically involves several phases, including initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closure. During each phase, project managers and their teams work to define project objectives, develop a project plan, assign tasks, track progress, manage risks, and communicate with stakeholders. Effective project management requires a combination of technical expertise, leadership skills, and communication abilities. Project managers must be able to work well with diverse teams, manage conflict, and adapt to changing circumstances to ensure that projects are completed successfully. They must also be able to balance the competing demands of time, cost, and quality to meet project objectives and satisfy stakeholders. The role of project manager. The role of a project manager is to oversee and manage all aspects of a project, from initiation to closure, to ensure that it is completed successfully, on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. The project manager is responsible for coordinating the efforts of the project team and communicating with stakeholders, including clients, sponsors, and senior management. Some specific responsibilities of a project manager include 1. Project planning. Developing a comprehensive project plan, including defining project scope, creating a project schedule, and identifying required resources. 2. Team management. Building and managing a high-performing project team, including assigning tasks, providing direction, and motivating team members. 3. Risk management. Identifying and assessing project risks, developing risk mitigation strategies, and monitoring risks throughout the project. 4. Communication. Facilitating communication between the project team, stakeholders, and senior management, ensuring that all parties are informed and up to date on project progress. 5. Budget management. Managing project budgets, monitoring expenses, and ensuring that the project stays within budget. 6. Quality management. Ensuring that the project delivers the required quality standards and meets stakeholder expectations. 7. Conflict resolution. Managing conflicts and resolving issues that arise during the project, including dealing with scope changes and unexpected challenges. Project management frameworks, PMBOK, Prince2, Agile, etc. There are several project management frameworks commonly used by organizations around the world, each with its own set of principles, processes, and techniques. Here are a few of the most popular project management frameworks. 1. PMBOK Project Management Body of Knowledge. This framework, developed by the Project Management Institute PMI, outlines a set of best practices for project management across industries. PMBOK provides guidance on project management processes such as project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closing. 2. Prince to Projects in Controlled Environments. Developed by the UK government, Prince2 is a process-based project management framework that emphasizes flexibility, adaptability, and continuous improvement. Prince2 divides projects into stages and provides a set of principles, themes, and processes for managing projects of varying complexity. 3. Agile. Agile is a flexible and iterative project management framework that emphasizes collaboration, customer satisfaction, and rapid delivery of working software or products. Agile is based on the Agile Manifesto, which values individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change. 4. Scrum. Scrum is an agile framework for managing software development projects. Scrum uses a set of roles, ceremonies, and artifacts to organize and manage work, including sprint planning, daily stand-up meetings, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. 5. Kanban. Kanban is another agile framework that focuses on visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and managing flow. Kanban uses a visual board to track work with cards representing individual tasks and uses metrics to measure and improve flow and efficiency. Each of these frameworks has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of which framework to use depends on the specific needs of the project and organization. Some organizations may even choose to combine different frameworks to create a hybrid approach that works best for them. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative video.